I'm going to be showing you how to make the best, in my opinion, but probably the best in everyone else's opinion too, marijuana edible cookies that I have created so far. For everybody wondering, you can do this as well with normal cookies, but why the fuck would you? And again, I'm in Canada where it's legal, so I'm making marijuana cookies. So I'll put the ingredients down in the description for anybody else who's a fucking wizard and doesn't need to follow along this dope video. But all you need is Bisquick, brown sugar, chocolate chips, eggs, and your butter. This is like softened butter. I heated mine the fuck up. It could be normal butter, then mine's green because it's weed butter, okay? It's just simple fact. So the first thing you need to do is get a cup of brown sugar, a nice cup of packed brown sugar. So make sure you pack that in there. Make sure it's packed. You see that? Make sure you get your cup packed brown sugar. You take your bowl and then just like that, 1 cup packed brown sugar. The next thing you're gonna need is an egg. Break that shit. Sauce that fucking thing in there. And then you need a 1/2 cup of butter. I can't really pick this up to like double record it, but I always like to put my butter over top of it because if we get a little bit extra in there, you know, we get a little bit extra in there. Yummy in my frickin' tummy, man. So after you have all 3 ingredients in the frickin' bowl, you're gonna take your fork or mixing item, I only have a fork, and you're gonna just stir that shit around. After you mix all 3 together, they should kind of look like this. Mine's probably gonna be a little bit greener than yours will look because, again, weed butter. After that, after those first 3 ingredients are mixed, you're gonna take out your Bisquick. You're gonna need 2 cups of Bisquick, 1 cup, and 2 cup. After that, you take your chocolate chips, and you just do a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Depends how much chocolate chips you want. I don't usually want that many in there, but we'll probably do a little bit more in this batch. This is how it should look. Just the extra 2 cups, and you just mix this one around too. And there you go. Once it's all mixed around, you should have a big ball of dough that just looks like this. You can be able to pick it up and stuff. It shouldn't be all sticky anymore. And then you just make these into little balls. See, just little balls. You usually roll them up with 2 hands. I think that's a little bit too big of a ball. Take this off. I don't want to get too fucked up. And you put them on your tray. Just like that. But that is how you make the batch. So I'm going to go through right now. And I'm probably going to mix up 1 more thing of cookies. And then I'll show you how long you... Oh, don't forget to turn on your oven to 375. Because you want that shit to be heating up while you're rolling up your balls. And there we go. There's my first batch. Well, not done yet. You cook them for 10 minutes. Make sure you don't leave them in for any longer than 10 minutes or else you kind of fuck yourself. I got some shit on there. But my oven is heating up right now. I'll put my cookies in a minute. We'll see how it all looks after. I'm gonna roll up the rest of this and make another batch, and I'll tune you in when I got this going. Make sure your oven's at 375. Then you open this. I'm gonna need both hands open. What am I even thinking? So I like to just do 1 and put it in the medium rack, but you leave them in for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's 7:15. I'm gonna put these in for 10 minutes. Make sure I get them out right away. But I would do a stopwatch, but both my phones are recording, so I won't be able to talk shit. There you go. That's it. Just watch the cookies go. I'll leave the oven light on. Maybe I'll leave this phone going. Oh, it fell down a little bit. So you guys can watch the cookies. So I'm gonna let that do its own little time lapse right there. Record the cookies baking. I'll show you guys the cookies when they come out, but that's it. Make sure they're only in there for like 10 minutes or else they'll burn. Like these cookies, I don't know why, but they burn. 10 minutes. Make sure they're in there for 10 minutes only. But yeah, I'll show you guys what they look like when they come out. This is what you wanted, some fucking dope cookie making. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Make sure you guys come to the stream tonight. We're gonna be streaming a little bit later tonight because it is Friday. So make sure you do come check that out. Probably 9 till about 2. Playing some CSGO and whatnot. But yeah, so we'll do a quick, for me it's gonna be like 10 minutes, but for you guys it's gonna be a quick second. So you ready? Ready? Okay, so it's been 9 minutes. We gotta wait at least 1 more. But they do kind of look fire. They do kind of look fire. I think it's time. Boom. I like to be that guy who takes them off really quick so the bottoms don't get brown. So I just take them off and put them on the side of my counter. You guys don't need to do this, but I do this because the bottoms get brown. And I want them to be soft and nice. I'll show you the cookies. I'll show you the cookies. These are them freaking delicious, gooey. They're kind of hot right now. We'll get that ASMR view. Oh my, fall apart in your mouth gooiness. These cookies are fucking delicious. Like, bro, just. Oh yeah, fucking delicious. They're hot. They're hot. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, me making cookies. This was per request of you guys again. I'll put the recipe down in the description. I'm of course gonna throw the rest of my cookies in the oven. Make sure you guys check out the stream tonight. It's gonna be lit. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully you guys enjoy your cookies. And let me know how yours turned out if you did try this recipe. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.